JJ Kids TV! JJ Kids TV!
Hey, huh? Whoa, do you like the ride? Kayla, you are getting a ride from Joanna. She's giving you a ride. Yay! Your friend. Yeah. Hey, Joanna, the chief driver, giving somebody a ride. What's that? We're going to the park, okay? All right. John Henry, you have your fun too? You sure? Yeah, monster track. Jonah, what gear? What gear do you have? It is not gear 1 or gear 2? 1. Okay, let's go. All right, let me show you how this is done, okay? So you put your arms around Joanna like this, see? Good, and so that she can drive it, right? Good. You got it? Because she's the driver, she's the rider, right? Good. You can go faster on gear 2. Put it on gear 2. And go faster. Yay!
Good job! Excellent!
You know what to do when you get to the intersection, right? go. Let's go. Look at the front. Ready, go. Ready, stop. Stop. Good. And then be very close to everybody. Watch. Make sure there's no car. Watch around. No car. Watch around. No car, right? So we go. There we go. Awesome. Let's go. One. Use your hand to push it here.
Excellent.
You don't want to go reverse. Okay, now let's go forward. Let's go forward. Okay. One on one. Okay, start. Ready? 1, 2.
Good.
Drive faster. Yeah, there was a monster truck coming too. Ah, look. We got our own monster truck too.
Great.
That's so cool. Yeah, he's on his way faster. I think we can also go faster. Then we can catch it. Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah. That's that. What to make it so far? Yeah, the dog is far away. We can go before they get here. Let's go. You go faster. Go faster. Yeah, there you go. Good. Keep going. Don't watch. Yeah. There's no car, it's safe, but always remember when we get to an intersection, what do? We stop, check before we go, okay? Yeah, that's it. Is it safe to go now? It's safe. But you know you can turn it so you can go on the lawn. You can ride on the lawn. You can actually go on the lawn. You can go to this. Try. Sit on there. Let's go. Let's try. You can try. Yeah. All you have to do is use the pedal. Good. The gas pedal. Good. And then keep turning it. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Awesome.
Good.
Awesome. There you go.
Good.
Turn the car off. If you don't mind. Woo! Keep going this way. And get down. Good job. Clap yourself. Clap yourself. Awesome. Let's go look at the view.